Welcome back to English Learning Easy. Today's lesson is super practical.
Yes, we're teaching you basic English for daily life. The exact sentences you need every single day. At home, at work, outside, everywhere.
We're focusing on simple, natural, everyday English that real people use. So grab your notebook. Let's make daily English easy. Let's start with your morning routine. Here are basic sentences you can use every day. Waking up. I just woke up. Give me a minute. I'm getting ready. I didn't sleep well last night. What time is it?
And here are slightly better versions. I just got out of bed. I'm getting ready for the day. I had trouble sleeping last night. Could you tell me the time?
Getting ready. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm taking a shower. I'm making the bed.
Upgrade versions. I'm freshening up. I'm getting cleaned up. I'm tidying my room.
Breakfast. What's for breakfast? I'm not hungry yet. Can I have tea, coffee?
More natural. What are we having for breakfast? I'll eat in a bit. Can I get a cup of tea, coffee?
Starting conversations. Hi, how are you? Good to see you. What's going on?
Natural daily versions. Hey, how have you been? Nice seeing you. What's up?
Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the nearest bus stop? I'm looking for this address.
Polite versions. Sorry to bother you, but could you help me? Could you tell me where the bus stop is? I'm trying to find this place.
Shopping. How much is this? Do you have this in another size? Can I pay with card?
Even better. What's the price of this? Is this available in a different size? Do you accept card payments?
Ordering food. I'd like a burger, please. Can I get this to go? Can I see the menu?
More natural. Could I have a burger, please? I'll take it to go. May I look at the menu?
Basic work phrases. I'm working on it. I'll do it later. I'm busy right now.
More professional. I'm handling it. I'll take care of it soon. I'm tied up at the moment.
Asking for clarification. I don't understand. Can you repeat?
Better. Could you explain that again? Could you repeat that, please?
Simple online or tech English. The internet is not working. My phone is out of battery. Send me the link.
Natural. The Wi-Fi is down. My phone is dead.
Could you share the link?
School English. I'm studying English. I need more practice. This lesson is difficult.
Better. I'm learning English. I need extra practice. This topic is challenging.
Talking with family. I'm home. What are you doing? Let's eat.
More natural. I'm back. What are you up to? Let's have dinner.
Household English. I'm cleaning the house. I'm doing laundry. I'm washing dishes.
Natural. I'm tidying up. I'm doing the washing. I'm cleaning up the kitchen.
Talking about feelings. I'm tired. I'm angry. I'm happy.
Better. I'm exhausted. I'm upset. I'm in a good mood today.
Night routine. Now let's finish the day with simple night routine English. Evening activities. I'm relaxing. I'm watching TV. I'm going for a walk.
I'm unwinding. I'm watching a show. I'm stepping out for a walk.
Ending the day. I'm going to bed. Good night. See you tomorrow.
More natural. I'm heading to bed. Sleep well. See you in the morning.
These are the basic sentences you need for daily life.
Practice them daily. The more you use them, the more natural English becomes.
If you want a part 2, comment Daily English 2.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.
See you in the next lesson.